I think a comparative test is a where you have two objects and you test it and then you compare it against each other.
I think that the mirror is going to be the most reflected because it will reflect the light right back at us.
If you have a mirror, it's because it's reflective because you can see yourself. That might be more competitive because of it, or might reflective, like compared to a whiteboard because you can't see yourself really in a whiteboard.
The whiteboard was the most reflective in lux, as it was 1,143 lux. But strangely, in repeat 2, it was 466, but it was still the highest, so I think the whiteboard is the most reflective.